some applications of trig here. So this is all about using our fun and exciting word problems. So we're going to start with a boy is flying a kite and he lets out a string of 300 feet of string, which makes an angle with a ground of 38 degrees. Assuming that the string is straight, how high is it off the ground? So right here, this would be 38 degrees. I'm going to move this slightly so it's inside the triangle right there. We're talking about how this is 300, and we're looking for x, and we know that we get a right angle right here with the ground. Okay, so now I'm labeling this. This is my hypotenuse. This is opposite my angle, so I'm going to use sine of 38 equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is 300. Again, we're using that SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so this ends up giving me 300 sine 38 equals x. I'm just putting this in my Desmos calculator again, and I get x equals 184.7 feet. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Again, we're going to build that triangle each time. So a ladder is leaning against the wall, makes an angle of 74 degrees. This is 74 with the ground. If the foot of the ladder is 6.5 feet from the wall, so that's the foot, so I know foot is at the bottom, how high is the ladder on the wall? Okay, we know this is my adjacent, this is my opposite. So we're going to use opposite and adjacent, so SOHCAHTOA, OA means tangent, so tangent of 74 equals the opposite x over the adjacent 6.5. Multiplying both sides by 6.5, so we get x by itself, tan of 74 equals x. We simply put this in our calculator, and we're going to get x equals 22.67 feet. Okay, next one. 2 more to go. All right. We are going up a hill, and it makes an angle. We go up a hill 2,500 feet. It makes an angle of 12 degrees. Find the height of the hill. Okay, so this x is my opposite. It's across from it, so it's O. This is across from my 90 degrees, so this is my hypotenuse. O and H means I'm going to use sine. So I say the sine of 12 equals opposite x over hypotenuse 2,500. I multiply 2,500 on both sides because I want x by itself, and I get sine of 12 equals x. Simply plugging this into my Desmos calculator, and I get x equals 519.78 feet. Okay, one more. We are in an airplane, and we're at an angle of 11 degrees from the ground. Find the ground distance when we're 400 feet off the ground. That's what altitude means, up in the air. So across from 11, this is my opposite, this is my adjacent, so I know I'm going to use tangent. So we're going tan of 11 equals, remember to put opposite, that's 400 over x. X is on the bottom. So we have to multiply both sides by x. We get x tan 11 equals 400. Then we've got to divide both sides by tan 11. So we get x equals 400 divided by tan 11. Then we're going to, just like normal, put this into our Desmos calculator, and we're going to get 2,057.61 feet along the ground when we're 400 feet in the air. That's it.